Hello everyone, welcome to Don Amots. You're back with me, Adam, and we've got Wendy on the camera. And today I'm going to show you around one of our new arrivals. It's a 2024 Elddis Autoquest Cv80 with a pop top. So it's 4 travelling, 4 sleeping, 5.99 metre long camper van. It's 3.5 tonne, so you can drive it on a standard UK driving licence. It's a 2.2, 140 brake horsepower on a Fiat Ducato. So let's have a look round. I'll show you some of the features now we've got all that out of the way. So a few extras on this one. Firstly, you've got your alloy wheels. It's got the new graphics for 2024 on the side, as you'll see. The nice tinted windows on the side as well. With the CV range, you get underslung gas tanks, so you pop your gas straight into there. You don't need for gas bottles on the inside. You've got water fill points and water drain points underneath. And your toilet cassette is just in there, so it pops open, toilet cassette out. Electrical hookup point in the side, we've got it all lit up for you so you can see when we get round. TV aerial at the top, and at the top of the doors there you've got your reverse camera, and we've got the 7-inch screen in this one, which is an upgrade as well. I'll open the back door so you can get a glimpse of the inside and the rear lounge, but we'll come to that in a moment when we come round. Onto the passenger side, another extra, we've got your full length Dometic awning on the side. Awning lights lit up, as you can see. Electrical entrance step, and your diesel point is just here with AdBlue. So let's have a look on the inside. Let's go on in, follow me Wendy. Down to the cab first. So you've got the Series 8 Fiat Ducato cab. We've got the cab kit with this one. We've got cab blinds, so you've got blinds on your driver and passenger door and your windscreen. We've got cruise control, cab air conditioning, 12-volt points, USB points, everything you'd expect from your new cab. 6-speed manual gearbox. Yep. And then round into the dining area, stroke travel area. So you've got 2 captain's chairs that Wendy's just took a pew on. You've got 2 further travel seats just here, belts are just behind, and this forms your dining area with your table as well. We'll do the pop top first. So pop top is just up there. There is a ladder to access it. Just a little button and it just opens itself, and then pull it down with 2 straps. Yep. Over into the kitchen area, we've got kitchen extension on the side. We've got a power point here, and that's just the button for your electrical step. Plenty of storage down the side. Your main control panels for the van, so your level indicators, lights, water pump, etc. on there. That's the indicator for your gas tanks, so it just tells you how much gas you've got in. And then you've got your heating and hot water controls. So it's the Whale system, which is your blown air heating system in the CV range. Into your kitchen area, we've got sink, we've got 3-ring gas hob, combination oven and grill, and plenty of storage underneath. Another extra on this one is your microwave. So your microwave's built in, but there's still storage there if you need to. Further down, we've got your fridge and freezer compartment. Nice height as well. In some of the camper vans it is lower down, but I personally think it's much better up here. So it's your Thetford fridge. And then we've got wardrobe storage in there with your hanging rail there as well. Lovely. If Wendy follows me down, she'll show you into the bathroom. So you've got your shower, toilet, sink. We've got a window in there, and we've got storage behind the mirrored glass at the top as well. Yep. And then down into the lounge, starting at the top, we've got storage on both sides. It's mirrored on the other side as well. Your TV aerial points in there. Connections for your TV aerial are here. So you've got a TV bracket, 12-volt, your aerial point, 12-volt, and mains plug sockets there. Little cupboard underneath is where your freestanding table is, so you can use that inside or outside. And then this forms your second bed, so you've got 2 sleeping at the top, 2 sleeping down here. It pulls into the middle, cushions drop down the back, and this makes a double bed at the back. You can always leave this up if you wanted to. If you're just going away, the 2 of you, you've got your seating area at the front, you can leave your bed made up at the back. We do have plenty of storage underneath as well. So underneath the slats just there is storage, and it just pulls out dead easy, and exactly the same on the other side. That's all storage all the way underneath there. Yeah. So it's brand new for 2024. It is the new 24 model, so it's got the new decals on. It's in stock, it's available, it's here at our showground in Hilton. If you've got any questions, my name's Adam, give me a call and I'm more than happy to help.